Good morning. Really cold out, so we're gonna cold start all my junk. We'll probably start with the least exciting. This is my tracker, 600, 2023, brand spanking new. So, we got the 2017 engine in here, custom fuel tank. This thing works out great. So, let's get the cold start, and I'll stop yapping when you do the forward. She hates the winter really bad. So YouTube decided to do something. So now I can't add more to this. So what I will do is that later I'll upload a video before and I won't talk as much. But hope you guys have a blessed rest of your day. Have a great Christmas. See ya.